welcome to the studio. Come on in. All right, first off, let me just say, excuse the congestion, nasally sound in my voice. I'm just getting over a cold right now, so bear with me. But welcome. This is where all the magic happens. My clients come here where I fit them for their red carpet premieres, any press obligations they have, and this is also where we film all of our videos for you guys. So before we get started with the tour, I just want to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. From online stores to websites to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is an all-in-one platform to help you achieve your beautiful online presence and help you run your business. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm already in front of this area, so let's start here. This is the kitchen area, the hangout area. So this is our battle station, basically. So when I have fittings, this is where I'll lay out the ties, pocket squares, sunglasses, you know, all of that good stuff. We just had a fitting that wrapped up, so I just have a couple of the items still displayed here. But this is also where my team and I work. So when it's not filled with clothes, we have our laptops here and we get down to business. Okay, and moving on, we've got snacks over here. So I've got this big Starburst jar. It's massive. This was filled to the brim all the way to the top, and now it's about halfway down. I might have had a couple, but I blame a lot of my clients. They like to eat them too. Of course, snacks here. I mean, it's really important, especially if we're doing a long fitting for a few hours. You want to make sure the guys are not hangry or anything like that. Keep them fueled with food, their energy levels up. And let's see, what else do I have? Oh, so over here is filled obviously with a ton of alcohol. These are all the thank you gifts I received from either clients, designers out there, showrooms. So this is where I keep it all. Haven't really used it yet, so that's why it keeps accumulating. And then we've got the fridge, obviously. I want to make sure not to be rude, a good host. We'll always offer some sparkling water or water, soda. It's a little sparse with food items in here. It's just mostly beverages, in case you're thirsty. And then, oh, we've got this denim wall. So this is just a small sampling of my denim. I have a ton of other stuff down in my storage unit, so we've just got this little sampling, but basically everything is sized, obviously. And then we've got all these bags and boxes around here. These are actually all gifts for my clients that designers send, so eventually we've got to go drop that off. This clutter gets me a little anxiety. I like things really clean and cleared out as soon as possible, so my team and I are going to have to be Santa Claus very soon and drop these items off. So follow me over here. So this is the rest of my studio space. This is where it's usually filled with a ton of rolling racks. It's not this cleared out, but just for you guys, I wanted to make sure you can get a good sense of what the studio looks like. Let's start here. So I've got my mannequin here. This jacket is actually, I don't know if you guys recognize it, but my client Chadwick Boseman wore this to this year's Oscars. So Givenchy actually made this beautiful, beautiful jacket. I want you guys to see the detail. So this is all hand beaded. It took them about, I want to say 600 or 800 hours, about 10 people to hand bead this entire jacket. It is truly, truly stunning and just mind-blowing to see the detail that went into this. So this is the piece in real life. I'm just hanging on to it right now. Eventually I'll give it back to Chadwick, but this is with me for now. And now, this is what makes me so happy, my shoe wall. So I've got dress shoes, boots, sneakers, everything is sized, obviously. Gotta always keep organized. This is actually just, this belongs to me. This is just my stock that I have in case I need to grab something real quick. This is not even everything. Normally for fittings, we'll have like the whole floor over here. It's just filled with shoes that we've pulled from other designers. But this is just a little sample in here to give you an idea of what I have just right now in stock. My belt boxes, brown belts versus black belts. We've got, you know, additional shirt options here. Everything is organized by categories. We've got my tie boxes here. We've got garment bags. We got the hangers all organized, all of that good stuff that is necessary for our job, for my job as a stylist. And then just, you know, this is just correspondence, organization stuff. But we've got the sitting area here where, you know, sometimes my clients, they bring their significant other, friends, so they go chill here. Sometimes my clients just want to chill out before they start the fitting, or maybe need a little break. So we'll just kind of relax here. And let's see, what else? What else? Oh, we've got this wall. So this wall is all of my, just kind of my housekeeping in terms of my style kit. So I've got my pins here. We'll show you. My pins here where it's like chalk pins, because I pin all the garments on my clients and then we'll drop it off at my tailor where he'll do the alterations. We've got clips, you know, for photo shoots. If something's a little big, I'll just clip it in the back. It's a little thing that we do to kind of cheat it so it looks like it fits perfectly. So just like, you know, labels, all of that fun stuff here. I've got my steamer here. So this is the Jiffy, this is actually a Jiffy steamer. I've talked to you guys about Jiffy steamer. I always recommend you guys get the portable one, which I've got here. This is the full-size guy, which is necessary when we have just a ton of garments we have to steam. So we've got that one here. We've got, obviously, you know, my lint roller. We've got extra sunglasses that I always keep on hand here. And then we have a rack of clothes here. So again, I told you guys, I just finished a fitting with my clients. So these are the confirmed outfits with the shoes. We've got some sunglasses in here, but I don't want to pull anything out because you guys haven't seen this yet. He hasn't worn them yet, so it's a secret still. And then I've got storage, more storage here. This is all of our shipping supplies neatly organized, put away here. This is a sore subject. This is Planty. I keep forgetting to water him, so he's dying. I'm sorry, I can't talk about this right now. And then we've got the mirror. So this is really important because this is where my clients can see how the outfit looks, how they feel in it. And also, it's really important for me to be able to see it on them so that when I'm pinning, I know exactly how much to pin, how much to nip and tuck to make the overall outfit as sharp as possible. So just want to say, again, shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. We've been personal users of theirs for many years, and they offer an amazing assortment of features and themes to really make a polished, unique, and streamlined website. Head to squarespace.com/AWXinc to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. All right, so moving on. So I've got obviously these racks of clothes here. So some of this stuff is just custom made pieces that we haven't used yet, so I'm storing it here until we find the right moment. And then some of it is just prepping other clients. So it's like, you know, I've got this like really cool Gucci bomber. We're just trying to figure out the best time to use this, the best event to have my client wear it to. Moving on, this is more archived pieces. So these are pieces that I'm holding on to for my clients that, you know, they were pretty big moments. So for instance, like we've got this guy. So actually Chadwick wore this 2 years ago to the Met Gala. It's pretty iconic. So Versace custom made this piece. It's all hand beaded. It was a Catholic theme. And so we wanted a regal Pope-like kind of presence, which is why we've got this amazing cape. It took forever to make this. I mean, this was such an iconic moment. We're super happy about it. So I've got this just, you know, stored here. And now I want to show you the next room, which is where we make all the videos for you guys. So come on in. All right. So this is the space where we film all of our YouTube videos. This is where I sit here, Dorian sits right here, and I look straight at the camera and I'm like, hey you! I'm celebrity menswear stylist Ashley Weston, joined by my partner and husband. Dorian would be here. So this is where we make all the videos. We've got a picture of Paris right here. Paris is a really special city. It's not only our favorite city of Dorian and I, but this is where Dorian proposed to me. So we just have this picture. It's just so, you know, I mean, I don't want blank walls. This would be such a boring studio. So I like to look over there and smile and think about him when we're filming. And then we've got Battle Station. This is Dorian's Battle Station. So once we're done filming all the videos, he uploads everything over here and, you know, helps with the editing with our team and all of that good stuff. So this is really Dorian's domain here. And then of course, you know, we've got our camera. So this is a GH4 camera. This is what we use to film. And then we obviously have this big old light here, which is very necessary. And we've got the boom mic here. But that's it. That's how we make our YouTube magic happen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you love this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and hit that bell icon to be notified every time we upload a video. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.